This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sarah Garrigues-Jones. 10 lovely private acres on Old Oaks Road off of 241S/170 TH Street. One of the most beautiful drives in the county. 2006 homes of merit, 3-bedroom/3-bath, features an indoor laundry and eat-in kitchen. The family room space opens to the front deck, which faces the in-ground pool and pool house. New stove was installed to 2025. Seller purchased this property in April 2022 and has made the following updates since then: new ceiling fan in primary bedroom, new interior paint, new fixtures in primary shower and sink, new spout and drain in second bathroom in main house. Lovely detached pool house, can be used as in-law suite or short-term rental, has a screened-in saltwater in-ground pool. Updates since 2022, new interior paint, new mini split, and new toilet. Appliances and water heaters were replaced and pool was resurfaced just before seller purchased. Very large 2-car detached garage and connected 2-car carport. 14 feet metal roof for boats, RV, tractor. 4-stall horse barn built in 2024 with the potential for 1 more large stall or 2 small stalls. Existing stalls are 12 by 14 square feet each. A new owner will finish out the tack room and electrify the barn. A smaller barn with chicken coop has been used for hay and feed storage and has a water source. Seller recently created a short riding trail through the back of the property. Seller also replaced the septic drain field and installed a new well pump. The property is full of beautiful oak trees, and some fruit trees. Plenty of shade and sun for your high-stepping friends. Fire pit and Adirondack chairs complete the outdoor living space. Property is cross-fenced, and 1 paddock is freshly seeded. Clay electric utilities. Tractor and farm implements do not convey. Starlink and cell phone booster equipment do convey. 10 minutes to the Jonesville Publix Shopping Center and restaurants, and a straight shot south on US 27 and US 41 to Ocala. Come see this beautiful property today. For more information, review the details below or contact